Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and one of my new favorite recipes is my spring scampi with butter roasted shrimp. You know, whenever I need to get a meal on the table quickly, because I just don't have a lot of time, this one really takes the cake. I mean, the shrimp are so plump and so juicy, and the sauce that goes with it is downright amazing. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to start by taking these jumbo shrimp, right? They're juicy, they're plump, and I'm going to make this sort of really quick garlic butter. So you do that by adding some fresh garlic, a little bit of garlic powder, and then a little bit of salt, not a whole lot, lots of really fresh black pepper, and then I'm going to add in lots of butter. Put that right into the oven. It's been preheated, 350 degrees, and let it cook until the shrimp are just cooked through. We'll take those shrimp out, we'll put them over to the side, and then we'll start on the rest of the dish. To do that, we're gonna start by making the sauce. It is super easy to do. We're gonna put some butter and olive oil into a pan. Butter for the taste, olive oil so that the butter doesn't burn and the sauce cooks nice and evenly. And then we're gonna saute down some garlic and then some shallots. Now the idea is not to get any color on it, just to get the flavors all nice and sweated out. And I am a huge proponent of making sure there are big layers of flavor at every point. So we're gonna season this with lots of good salt and lots of pepper. Once those cook down a little bit, then we're gonna start making our sauce. I'm gonna add in some white wine, I'm gonna add in some fresh squeezed lemon juice, and I'm gonna add in a little bit of stock. I'll let that cook and then reduce down until the sauce is made. Once we have the sauce, then it's simple. I'm gonna take cooked angel hair pasta, throw it in, and just to sort of cut some of the carbs in the dish, I'm also gonna take zucchini noodles that I've gone ahead and spiralized myself. I'm gonna take those and put those right into that sauce as well. I'll toss in some frozen green peas with the cooked shrimp and the juices that it's made. I'll make sure everything's nicely coated evenly, and then you put everything out on a platter, top it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and serve the whole dish up. This is a really great meal for a random weeknight, but I love this because it's also fancy enough to serve whenever you have company coming over. This recipe you've got to try. I guarantee you the flavors are exquisite and you are going to love it. For the full recipe, you know where to go. It's going to be on my website. It's DariusCooks.tv. There's two things I want to tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life, it's my food. Until next time, I got to wish you a happy cooking with spring scampi. From my heart to yours.